So to replace your flight torch LED light bulb, you start off by removing these tabs on the two sides. After you remove the tabs, you'll see there's two Phillips screws that are located there and there. And you just remove the screws. After you remove the screws, this bracket will come right off. It's just friction grip held on. There's a clip in there. Just slide your finger through there and it will just slide right out. You'll see there's two more Allen screws or Phillips screw heads there. You'll just remove those as well. Once you have those removed, the next is the tricky part, is to get this front shield off. To get that, you'll start off at the edge there, lift up the edge, and just slide your finger across there. Just be gentle with it and try not to break these tabs there, because that's what's clipping it onto the light head. After that, you'll find out whichever LED is broken, and you'll just unscrew these two Phillips screws and put in your new LED light bulb after that. The only thing to be aware of is that when you do put that new LED bulb back on, that it is pushed all the way back onto that bracket there, so the focus on the light is correct. And to reinstall after that, you're gonna put in your connector for your light bulb after that. After that, the shield just slides right back on. It just pops right back on like that. And you just push it in and you'll hear it clip into position after you've gotten into place there. Okay, just like that. And then you're just gonna screw the screws back on.